Hey y'all, we finally made it back home after a long day. This is the Beauty Forever. So I'm coloring this Beauty Forever hair today, y'all. So yeah, they sent me 3 bundles of the Brazilian curly, y'all. I'm so excited. I love that curly hair. I had curly once before and it was just amazing. It's still up there in my weave closet, okay? And then I also have a lace closure and they are all 20 inches. Y'all, I love Beauty Forever hair. Like, look at this. I can't wait to install it. I can't wait to color it. And we're gonna go ahead and jump into this color. Let's do it. Alright y'all, so to get started, I'm gonna go ahead and mix up my lightener, aka bleach. What I'm doing to get like a really quick, easy lift is I'm doing a soap cap. If y'all been hip to my channel, y'all pretty much already know what a soap cap is. And I'm using the Shimmer Light shampoo. What this does is like knock out yellow tones and brassiness and stuff. So I'll be using that. Basically what a soap cap is mixing your lightener together and then adding shampoo. It does dilute it some, so when you do a soap cap, you want to make sure you're using like a level up. Yeah, to me a soap cap is just like an easy way to bleach hair if you want to do like a one tone, because you could just put it all on the extensions, all on the hair, and it lifts it really quick, and then you could just rinse it right out. Like, super easy. Okay. So I got my bundles all squeezed out or whatever. First of all, just look at this pattern. Like, ain't it beautiful? Oh, this so pretty. Don't touch that. Move your foot. Move your foot. Thank you. Y'all see this craziness? Do you see this craziness? This is what happens when you let your bleach sit for like hours and hours. You gotta take hour breaks because you got kids, right? And the kids want to act a fool as soon as you finna. So yeah, hours later, this is what we got going on, a bleach volcano. So this is what I love about a soap cap. You can literally just bam, bam. You can literally just be super messy and just blob it on there. Like, yes. Go ahead and bleach my knots on the closure while I'm doing this. So bam, slapping that bleach all on there. I'm gonna actually put my bundle in here to scrape up. Oh girl, we ain't wasting no product today. Scrape it out, girl. Scrape out the sink too. Shoot. We ain't wasting none of this bleach. That was like 5 minutes, super easy. And step 1 is done. Y'all, I swear bleaching the hair is like the most stressful part of life, but doing it like this, doing a soap cap and just free balling it, it's just like 5 minutes. I'm gonna just put it in this cap to process. I got it double bagged, and I'm gonna just make sure everything is nice and closed up so it can get hot. I think I'm gonna let it process probably for 20 or 30 minutes because I actually don't want it to get that light. I want a bold purple, but I want a dark bold purple, so I don't have to let it process for a super long time. So yeah, I'm gonna let this sit here and heat up, and we'll come back and see how it's looking.
2,000 years later.
Hair, I went to sleep and it's bleed. Like, God, I accidentally fell asleep and left the bleach sitting on his hair. It's been hours. I'm so scared to look at this hair. I just want to thank the Lord. I want to thank the Lord that this is a soap cap, because when I tell y'all, if this was straight bleach, I think this hair would have been like, let's go ahead and rinse this out. y'all. So I made 2 oopsies. Just 2 this time. Just 2. So y'all see that? My roots got way too light. I'm gonna have to do dark roots for the closure. Oopsie number 1. Oopsie number 2. The ends got lighter, but you know what? That's a good oopsie because I'm like, that's gonna be cute. I'm gonna start, I don't know what's going on with my glove. It's struggling, but it's okay. We're gonna start with the harder stuff first. This wasn't supposed to be, oh, she just farted. Yes, she did. This wasn't supposed to be a step, but obviously I'm always doing something. It's always, like, why do it always gotta be a struggle though? Why can't we just, this wasn't part of the plan, y'all, but it's all right. We gotta do what we gotta do. Oh my God, this glove, come on. Thankfully, I have a whole bunch of color upstairs and I just found a black rinse. I'm gonna just go through. So this is the fun, easy part. I just got my sink lined with aluminum foil like I do with cooking because I line everything with aluminum foil. So yeah, this part is real simple, real easy, real quick. I'm just gonna dump all of my bottles on the hair, put them in plastic caps, and let it sit. Sense how I just don't get no sleep when I be trying to work. It's ridiculous, but it's 6:44 in the morning. Yeah, we finally about to go ahead and rinse out this cola. I'm excited to see how everything turned out. We're right here chilling in the towel. So I'm about to rinse it out. I'm gonna put this conditioner on it. Y'all know I love me some Tresemme.